Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook video on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the social media section next to the whiteboard option. In the Facebook option, you can find the Facebook video option and just tap on it. You can upload pictures from your device or insert pictures from your gallery from your device. And in the element section, you can add the different elements, for example, graphics, stickers, photos, charts, and more. In the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. And just select one and step on it. You can edit this template if you want to change the video or the picture. Just go to the uploads or the gallery button and drag it to the frame, and this will be changed. And if you want to change the text, just click that and write your text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.